Modern agricultural machinery including unmanned harvesters is aiding autumn harvest in China. Unmanned harvesters help farmers improve harvesting efficiency in Hundun, North China's Hebei province. In other parts of the country, modern harvesters and seeders are used to accelerate the whole farming process.
咱们嘉亭农村总共有土地面积6400亩，全村机械化改进，现在还有800亩正在收割和播种中，预计1周以内全部收割完毕。
以前1亩地大概要1天时间，现在才10来分钟就可以了。现在种田就是方便，什么都是机器，然后种完了收完了又可以去做工，这个是非常方便的。
Official data show that the country's mechanization rate of crop cultivation and harvest has exceeded 72%.